Before we get to your workout, I want to tell you about a really special and fun program I'm offering starting August 16th. It's going to last 5 days, and it's 5 workouts, all for how to use weights in your workout. So this is for anyone who's just starting out with weights, anyone who's a beginner with weights, or wants to learn how to use weights in their workouts. This is for you, and I'm so excited about it. The link is below to sign up, and I'll see you there. So I get asked all the time what the most important equipment you need at home is for great workouts. To be honest, to start with, you just need yourself. Just yourself and a mat. You can see it throughout my workouts. I believe in giving you things that you can do at home without stress, and sometimes that means no equipment. I also love adding equipment in for fun and for challenge. If I had to give you the number one thing to add after just yourself and your mat, it would be weights, okay? Weights are so important for so many different reasons. And I want to tell you why, because I know they can be intimidating for a lot of people just starting out. So weights are going to be really important when it comes to many health benefits. So I'll just give you a few. They help with osteoporosis prevention, so they're going to keep your bones really strong. We need to lift things, weights, in order to help with that. It helps with our posture. It helps obviously with muscle development. It helps with toning your muscles. It's going to help with you burning calories and burning those calories throughout the day. The more muscle you build, you actually will burn more calories throughout the day. So if that's a goal of yours, you need to be adding some resistance training. It's also going to help with your balance. It's going to help with mental acuity and brain health. So many different things. For me, when I finally learned to use weights and be confident in that, it helped me find empowerment in my body. It helped me feel confident getting onto an airplane and lifting my luggage into the overhead bin. It helped me feel confident lifting my kids from the ground into their crib. It helped me feel confident in anything that I had to lift and independent in that. And it helped me feel confident with my workouts when I finally understood how to use weights, or what a bicep curl meant, or what a deadlift meant. When I knew those words and could use the verbiage, it gave me so much confidence in being able to do those workouts. I didn't turn away from them anymore. So weights have many benefits in those ways. Also, as a physical therapist, I'll tell you, for all of the clients that I see, I would say the number one thing that they have in common is that I am going to give them workouts with weights at home. Yes, Pilates is important. I'm going to give them that as well. I think they balance each other really out. I think they balance each other very well in that you need the mobility and the strength from Pilates. But I also feel, especially for all of you women out there listening, we just don't do enough for keeping our muscles strong, and lifting weights is going to add a component to that. It's important to do it on the mat, yes, and all of my Pilates workouts absolutely will build strength and will build muscle. It's a great place to start. But to get the added benefit of all the things that I mentioned, we really need to pick up some weights once or twice a week. That's why I include the workouts here on YouTube. That's why I always do weights myself during the week. And that's why I give those exercises to my physical therapy clients, because it can help with injury prevention. It can help with pain, and it's obviously going to keep you strong. But I want you to understand that all of those things are what make weights or resistance training so great. It's not just a matter of building muscle. Yes, I want that. Yes, absolutely, we want to tone and maybe have some muscle definition. But what I'm telling you here is there's a much bigger picture for our overall health and how good we feel if we add some resistance training. And my favorite way to do that is with light hand weights. They don't have to be very much. Most of the workouts you see here on YouTube from me are using these, which are 5 pounds. You can use anything 1 to 5. You can start with 1 pound weights. You can start with bottles of water and cans of beans at home. I don't care what you start with, as long as you once or twice a week are adding some of this resistance training to your workout. Yes, TheraBands can count. Those are awesome also, and resistance bands. They just take a little bit different of a workout. I have some of those here as well for you. but they're a little bit different, and I find them just to be slightly limiting. So sometimes I will start people with those. I love them, they're great, and I'll start my clients with those. But again, for an overall health program going forward, I like to move them into weights. Okay, so that would be my number one piece of equipment actually for you to add at home if you're looking to add something. And if you're looking to actually start a super safe beginner weight program, I am starting one just for you, August 16th, 2021. So if you're watching this in real time, we start August 16th. You're gonna find the link below to sign up. And what you get is 5 workouts over 5 days, and they're especially developed for beginners. So we're gonna have 2 upper body, 2 lower body, and then 1 video that's a full body workout using light hand weights. It's safe, it's effective, it talks you through each piece and talks you through the names so that you could even get into the gym feeling much more comfortable on how to use the machines if you wanted to do that. But this is also meant to do at home. These workouts will carry you through, and it's a great way to get started. I am so excited about this program, and I've wanted to do it for a really long time because I want you to feel, again, safe, confident doing weights. I don't want them to be scary. I don't want them to be intimidating. I want you to see how much benefit you'll find and feel from doing them. And I want you to understand they're not gonna bulk you up. It's one of the biggest things I hear from people, especially women. They're afraid weights are gonna bulk them up. I guarantee you weights cannot bulk you up unless that is your goal. If you are doing super, super heavy weights with big sets and repetitions and over again, you will hypertrophy your muscles and you could get to that point. But these weights and these workouts will never do that. I promise. They can't. We're using light hand weights. We're taking you through movements, again, just to make you strong and to help with injury prevention. So the cost is $40 for 5 days. These are workouts that aren't going to be here on YouTube. You're going to get them sent directly to you, to your inbox, as well as tips and tutorials from me from the week and an awesome community. That's what I wanted from this. I wanted to be able to meet you. I wanted to be able to talk to you. I wanted to be able to really support you in this. So we'll take you through that for 5 days. And if for any reason you can't join us live starting Monday, August 16th, you can still purchase and you'll have access to the videos for a month. All right. So I would love to have you there. Again, click the link below. And remember, you can do this. Try something new. Get outside of your comfort zone. I will walk along with you so that you can see how strong you really are. I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.